Disastrous beauty. Disastrous beauty. It's disastrous beauty. It's the way for me. It's disastrous beauty. Change up your look daily. Disastrous. It's disastrous beauty. It's the way for me. It's disastrous beauty, baby. It's disastrous beauty. Change up.
I know the next morning when the sun goes out, it might be the last day of you and me. You're lying next to me with heavy eyes while I shiver inside with a heavy heart. I know what I've done, and I'm too afraid to let it go. If I could, I would turn back time. If I could, I would take it all back. If I could, I would bring back all the memories, not yours, only in my dreams. Oh, if I could. You know nothing at all about what's going down. Oh, like a shipwreck, I caught the sails loose. You're lying next to me with heavy eyes while I shiver inside with a heavy heart. I know what I've done, and time is running out for me. If I could, I would turn back time. If I could, I would take it all back. If I could, I would bring back all the memories, not yours, only in my dreams. Oh, if I could, I would turn back time. If I could, I would take it all back. If I could, I would bring back all the memories, not yours, only in my dreams. Oh, if I could. Oh, if I could. Oh, if I could.
I need you back. I need you back.
Alright y'all, so I'm obviously finna style this wig and this is what I got. If you're interested in the details, the specs, and all those good things about this unit, then please continue to watch. Alright y'all, so the unit that I am rocking was sent to me by Pizazz Hair. Oh, I like that name. I like to say Pizazz, honey, okay? Shout out to you, Pizazz, for sending me this unit and sponsoring this video. This is my first time working with this company. So once again, shout out to you. Alright, so the unit that they sent me is their 4C Edges Curly Wig. I have it in 24 inches and it is 220% density. And I will go ahead and let you guys know it's given 220% density in my opinion. So on the site, it says type 4 hairline 5x5 13x4 HD lace front wig, pre-plucked glueless curly human hair wigs with curly edges. This unit is available in 14 to 30 inches. It is available in a 4x4 lace, 5x5 lace, and a 13x4. And you can also get it in 150, 180, or 220% density. Type 4C Edges wig, curly HD lace closure. It's a curly unit. I gave you guys all the densities available. It comes in a natural black color. It is HD Swiss lace, suited for all skin tones. The hair will last 10 to 18 months depending on use and care. It features 4C edges and undetectable lace, flawless melt like growing from head. And the cap size is 22 to 22.5 inches, which is basically your standard average cap size. So those are all the details and specs. So as far as shedding and tangling, I'm gonna say that it did shed some. Nothing to write home about, but I only kind of just ran my fingers through it while I was applying the mousse. So I did get some shedding. I expected some shedding because typically with curly hair, it does shed a little bit. But it wasn't anything to write home about, but I want to tell you, so you can't say I ain't tell you, girl, because I told you, girl. I did bleach the knots on this wig. I obviously didn't tweeze anything. It has those curly edges. And with these edges, I just applied some mousse and put on my little scarf, and I'm like, I'm gonna let them do what they do, honey. Okay, so you guys can tell me, and I've showed you guys a few ways you can do this trend. Like if you don't like the curly edges, although I'm feeling them, I know some people aren't, you can slick them down. You can do them with baby hairs. They make your baby hairs really pop. There's a few things you can do with these curly edges. Like I'm a fan. Okay, like I said, I know everybody is not, but I am a fan. And yeah, I think that is pretty much it as far as details and specs go. If you're interested in a full 360 with a lint check as well as my pros and cons, then please continue to watch. My con is gonna be that it is a 13x4. Had I known that this unit was available in a 5x5, y'all know I would have got that 5x5. Y'all know I live for a closure. I love a closure. I just didn't know they had it. So that is gonna be my con with this unit. My pros is I love the baby. I like the curly edges. Like I think it's a vibe. I just do, especially with a good curly unit or a kinky unit. Oh, I'm feeling them, y'all. I'm sorry. I know, like I said, I know it's not for everybody, but I'm a fan personally. I love the texture of this hair. I love the fullness, and I love the length. I like that it's like that perfect in between length to me. So I really like all of that as well with this unit. I also like that I felt like the lace really melted in. Like y'all let me know what y'all think, but I'm feeling the lace too. So let me throw that out there, the lace too. Yes, I would personally recommend this unit. I think it's a look, I think it's a vibe. Y'all let me know what y'all think, but I would definitely recommend this wig. All right, y'all, so I'm gonna give you this full 360 so we can wrap this thing all the way up. So this is obviously the unit in the front. This is it on the left side. This is it in the back. Keep in mind, I am 5'4". And this is it on the right side. So yeah, y'all, once again, I'm feeling the wig. I think it's a look. Y'all let me know what y'all think down below. If you are interested in purchasing this unit, I will have a direct link to it down below in the description box for your convenience. Once again, shout out you Pizazz for sending me this unit and sponsoring this video. I truly do appreciate it. And yeah, girl, that's all. That's all. So if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you have any questions, I feel like I may have left out, feel free to comment down below. And if you're not already subscribed, girl, click the subscribe button. It's not gonna cost you not one red cent. And if you're not already following me on all my social media platforms, I am DizastrousBeauty on both IG and TikTok. I'm HelpsMissy on Snapchat, and I'm DizastrousB on Twitter. And I'll see you lovebug's next time. Bye.
The looks you love completely. Got every styles and we